Hi and welcome back to Forever Vegan Inspo. Today it's week 3 of all things plum. Today we're going to be making a delightful fruit roll with only 3 ingredients. Yes, that's right, 3 ingredients. Plums, lemon and maple syrup. Chop up all the plums in half and place them on a lined baking tray. Place them in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for between 30 to 40 minutes or until completely soft. Once the plums are cooked, transfer them into a glass bowl. Next, we're going to add the lemon juice and the maple syrup into the plums. Now we're going to blend everything together until it is super smooth. In a lined baking tray, we're going to transfer some of the mixture until we get a nice smooth layer spread out evenly. Put this in the oven at its lowest setting and leave it for about 9 hours, although I left mine in the oven overnight. Here we have our plum fruit leather, made with very little ingredients and so easy to make. Give this simple recipe a try and let me know how you get along. Thank you for joining us on Forever Vegan Inspo. Hope to see you again soon.